or deck legs?
All drain lines are having a dead leg.
But in
So
drain lines,
what will be the modification on the drain lines? Yeah, change the HOVs, يعني?
No. Drain line now. Santosh, can you just show that pictures of option 1, option 2?
Yes.
So what we are trying to do, we have given 2 options. One option is wherever a headroom clearance is there between bottom of pipe to the grade level, we can accommodate relocate this existing wall to the immediately next to the header, so that there will not be any pipe or elbow. Okay, this weldolet will be directly welded to flange, then wall will come, and after that this pipe will come.
Which kind of valve it will be?
It
HOV
is
or
same
MOV?
valve, same valve, same valve.
No,
HOV.
yeah, HOV only.
Yeah, same
wall.
HOV.
We are not now changing any MOV there. We are just reusing existing walls only.
To avoid flushing requirement, يعني?
Yes, correct. Okay, and there are 2 things that we have considered. One is the accessibility of this wall, operability of this wall, so that operator can open this wall for a drain requirement, and the other requirement is headroom clearance between this pipe. Bottom of pipe to the grade level.
Yeah, by the way, for this point, if you are considering all drain lines in MPS,
not all. So wherever the sufficient space is there. Otherwise, option type 2 will be used. This type 2.
It should be specified which drain lines, because some of the drain lines maybe will require MPS shutdown. Huh? There is some critical
everywhere shutdown is required, because there is a welding requirement everywhere. We have to take the shutdown.
But some drain lines we can avoid the
plant shutdown.
Plant shutdown.
Okay. Even line shutdown is sufficient for us. But because at every drain point we have to cut the line and add either flange or both cases flanges are required. After this weldolet. Then this problem will be permanently resolved.
Okay, guys. So other than dead leg and valve replacement and other automation jobs, you don't need shutdown, right? Other automation job? Santosh?
No, for HOV to MOV shutdown is required.